Hello, fellow investors and numismatic enthusiasts. I've gotten lots of questions from colleagues and friends about how I invest in precious metals and what it's like to order and receive a precious metal shipment from the United States Gold Bureau. So I'm here to show you. Here in front of me is the package that I just signed for. All orders from the United States Gold Bureau are fully insured from end to end, so you never have to worry about your package not arriving. The chain of custody is fully recorded through the delivery company, and shipments over a certain value require a signature. This is to keep things safe. As you can see, we have a nondescript package and a benign sender name and address. There's nothing here to hint at the valuables that are inside here. Now, this sender's address may look familiar, as it's the same as the Texas Bullion Depository. You may or may not know that the parent company of the United States Gold Bureau is contracted by the actual state of Texas to operate the Texas Bullion Depository. These guys are as legit as they come. Because of this, your precious metals specialist will offer you the option to store your metals safely in the frequently audited state depository that is located in the same facility as the United States Gold Bureau. This is a huge deal in my opinion. All right, well, here we go. This is the best part. I'm excited to share this with y'all. This is one of many of my personal investments, which is part of my diversification into the Ed Moy Proof 70 coin series. Ah, cool, nice branding on the inside. That's a nice touch. I like this little, tissue paper. And I don't know how you guys, but I always get a rush when I see this logo. You know, some people call this excitement gold drunk. Yeah, I get that. I feel that gold drunk. So these coins look to be packaged very well and don't look like they have shifted at all during transport. These certified coin holders protect the coins from damage and guarantee the authenticity of each coin. Here is the 1 ounce Proof 70, and it's great looking. These labels are all hand signed by the 38th director of the U.S. Mint, Ed Moy, and they look great. They look incredible, and he looks like he puts a lot of focus into making all of these signatures on the labels look perfect as possible. They look like they're copies, but they're not. These are not facsimiles. Mr. Moy signs each of these himself personally. For those of you precious metal investors that are unfamiliar with a Proof 70 coin, let me give you a bit of a rundown. Whenever the US Mint releases a new proof coin, there are coins in the minting population that are struck on highly polished blanks and with more precision than others in the minting run. Some are simply just more perfect than others. There are so many factors that can make a coin less than perfect, like the metal being imprinted, or the die wears down after minting many coins. The United States Gold Bureau takes a lot of effort in acquiring all these minted coins, finding the best of the best among them, and then having the experts at NGC inspect the coins at 10 times magnification and grade their condition, with 70 being the highest possible score. This is sometimes referred to as museum quality. This allows the U.S. Gold Bureau to provide only the best of the mintage to their investors. You don't have to take the risk of going through the process and only to find that your coin is less than a Proof 70 and is not nearly as valuable on the investing market. It's a lengthy process that takes time, but it's totally worth it. That is why I order from these guys. Dang, these are great. I gotta hand it to the United States Gold Bureau. Their online process is simple. The coins arrived in a timely manner, and I'll be placing these in my safe as soon as I turn the camera off. That's right. You won't be seeing where I'm keeping them. And I don't know about you, but I've actually been thinking about sending my precious metals to the Texas Bullion Depository for that extra peace of mind. The U.S. Gold Bureau is on site at this facility, and with the security they have, it's literally almost like having your gold stored at Fort Knox. It's so cool. Well, I hope this video helped answer your questions. Have a great day, and reach out to these guys. United States Gold Bureau is legit. If you have any questions about investing in precious metals, these are the guys to talk to. As you can see, it's really fun, and it's a secure way to diversify your investments, especially in today's world. I'll put their contact info below. I'm hoping that they publish this video. I worked really hard on it. I'm not a video guy. Hope you liked it, and they let me do more videos for them. Thanks. Bye-bye.